Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Capital One affiliate setup for US card comparison pages, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Capital One affiliate program website. Sign in to your affiliate account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Tools or Resources section. In this section, find the Merchant Listings or Offers link. Search for Capital One credit card offers that suit your target audience. Click on the specific card offer you wish to configure. Review the details of the card, including commission rates and applicable terms. Select the Get Link or Generate Link option. Copy the generated affiliate link for the selected card. Next, go to your website's content management system. Open the page where you will include the card comparison. Paste the affiliate link in the designated area for each card. Create a brief description for each card to enhance engagement. Ensure that comparisons are clear and highlight the differences between the cards. Optimize the content for SEO by including relevant keywords related to credit cards. Double-check that all links are properly formatted and functional. Save the changes and preview the page to ensure everything looks good. Test the affiliate links to confirm they direct users to the Capital One site. Once verified, publish the updated comparison page on your site. Monitor the performance of the affiliate links through your dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on performance insights over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.